art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Nicholas from Incredibox Sprunki, phase 1. So first for the head, we're going to start by drawing in our circle, curving this line around, and then in towards the bottom. And now starting back on our line on the top, again, we're just going to curve this line all the way around, and then back in. Now for our eyes on the left-hand side, let's start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a small gap moving over on the right and replicating that, drawing that at the same size. Now in the middle on the left, we're going to draw in another circle. And then moving over on the right, let's draw in another circle. Now as we move in towards the middle, we're going to draw in another circle in the middle. And then one more time directly in the center. Now from here, as we come down in the center, we're going to draw in another circle right in the middle. And then on the top, curving this line over. Moving up again, let's replicate that. Let's drop down on the bottom. We're going to curve this line around, back up on the right. And then again, as we move underneath, let's replicate that. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, as well as moving over on the right and replicating that. For the mouth, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that across. Over on the left now, we're going to curve this line out, as well as on the right. On the top right here, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming across towards the left. And then again, as we stretch out from that, we're going to draw in another diagonal line, bringing that over. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line on both sides coming in towards the top. And then above that, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in an arch line on both sides. Now for the body, moving down, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw Nicholas from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.